Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very short video in the sense that I've put together a number of training resources for you when you want to learn how to use ICT to do your business as a teacher. As you know, we are living in uncertain times where teachers will be required to use this skill in their daily work. So you really want to be prepared as far as using ICT is concerned to conduct your business, because you don't want to be caught in a situation whereby you are put under pressure to learn things which are very simple and which you would have done long time ago. So I've created all these resources and in fact formed a Google Classroom. When you come in, you will come in as a student, but I do understand you are a teacher. In my Google Classroom, I'm not going to teach you how to teach. I know you've been trained along these lines. My business is to show you how you can use that which you know and use the technology that we have nowadays in order to reach your students. So I've put together all the resources that I've been investigating for a number of years, so that once you get into my Google Classroom, you just need to go from one piece to another as you learn those pieces. And the good thing is that for the time being, it is actually free. What you need to do, just go to the description of this video below, click on that link, and it will take you direct into my Google Classroom. Grab this chance while it is still free. Thank you for your attention.